I'm going to try and protect my money from any economic disaster that comes our way. If you're like most people, you're probably worried about the state of the economy and how it might affect your hard-earned cash. The goal of this video is to equip you with practical strategies to protect your finances from potential economic downturns and disasters. The truth is, we're living in uncertain times. Inflation is on the rise, there's talk of a potential recession, and global instability is making headlines. These factors can be unsettling, especially when it comes to your financial security. It's essential to be aware of these risks without getting caught up in unnecessary panic. By being informed and taking proactive steps, you can safeguard your money and feel more confident about your financial future. So, what can you do to shield your cash from economic chaos? One effective strategy is to diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce your exposure to any one particular market. Another strategy is to build an emergency fund, which can provide a cushion in case of unexpected expenses or job loss. Reducing debt is also crucial, as high-interest loans and credit cards can quickly drain your finances. Consider focusing on paying off high-interest debt first, while also making sure to save for the future. Tangible assets, such as gold or other precious metals, can also be a good hedge against economic uncertainty. They tend to hold their value over time and can provide a safe haven asset in turbulent times. Let's talk more about building an emergency fund, as it's one of the most impactful and easily implementable strategies. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up can be a game changer in case of unexpected events, such as car repairs or medical bills. For example, imagine if you lost your job or had to take time off work due to illness. Having an emergency fund in place can help you cover your essential expenses while you're getting back on your feet. To recap, the main strategies we've discussed are diversifying investments, building an emergency fund, reducing debt, and considering tangible assets. By taking proactive steps to protect your finances, you can feel more confident and prepared for whatever the economy throws your way. If you have any money-saving tips or strategies that have worked for you, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial advice and check out our related video on